Hello viewers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing 10 best pet-safe plants for our homes. Plants are a wonderful way to bring life and beauty into your home. However, as a pet owner, it's crucial to ensure that the plants you choose are safe for your furry friends. Many common houseplants can be toxic to pets if ingested. Fortunately, there are plenty of pet-friendly options that can add greenery to your space without posing a risk to your animals. Here are 10 of the best pet-safe plants for your home. Number 1. Spider plant, botanically known as Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants are among the most popular houseplants, known for their ease of care and their ability to thrive in a variety of conditions. They are also non-toxic to both cats and dogs, making them a perfect addition to a pet-friendly home. These plants have long, arching leaves and produce small white flowers and baby plants that can be propagated easily. Spider plants prefer bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Number 2. Areca palm, botanically known as Dipsis lutescens, and also known as the butterfly palm. The areca palm is a lush, tropical plant that can grow quite large, making it a great statement piece for a room. It's safe for both cats and dogs and is known for its air-purifying qualities. Areca palms thrive in bright, indirect light and need regular watering to keep the soil moist but not soggy. With the right care, this plant can add a touch of the tropics to your home. Number 3. Boston fern, botanically known as Nephrolophus exaltata. Boston ferns are classic houseplants with feathery fronds that add a touch of elegance to any room. They are safe for pets and can be particularly beneficial in homes with cats, as many cats enjoy nibbling on the leaves. Boston ferns prefer a humid environment and indirect light, making them ideal for bathrooms or kitchens. Regular misting and keeping the soil consistently moist will help these ferns thrive. Number 4. Calathea, botanically also known as Calathea. Calathea, also known as prayer plants, are prized for their stunning foliage with intricate patterns and colors. They are non-toxic to pets, making them a great choice for households with cats and dogs. Calathea prefer low to medium light and high humidity, so they do well in rooms with indirect sunlight and can benefit from regular misting. With their beautiful leaves and pet-safe nature, Calathea make a wonderful addition to any home. Number 5. Ponytail palm, Bocarnia recurvata. Despite its name, the ponytail palm is not a true palm but a member of the succulent family. It has a unique appearance, with a bulbous trunk and long, cascading leaves that resemble a ponytail. This plant is safe for pets and very low maintenance, requiring little water and thriving in bright, indirect light. The ponytail palm is perfect for busy pet owners who want a distinctive plant that's easy to care for. Number 6. African violet, botanically known as Saint Paulia. African violets are beloved for their charming, velvety flowers that come in a variety of colors. These small, compact plants are safe for pets and can bloom year-round with proper care. African violets prefer bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. They also thrive in a humid environment, so placing them on a humidity tray or regularly misting them can help keep them healthy. Their vibrant flowers can brighten up any space without posing a risk to your pets. Number 7. Parlor palm, botanically known as Chamaedorea elegans. The parlor palm is a small, graceful plant that has been a popular houseplant since the Victorian era. It's safe for pets and adds a touch of elegance to any room. Parlor palms prefer low to moderate light and can tolerate low humidity, making them easy to care for. They do best when watered regularly but should be allowed to dry out slightly between waterings. With its delicate fronds and pet-safe nature, the parlor palm is a wonderful addition to any home. Number 8. Maranta, botanically known as Maranta leucanora and also known as the prayer plant. Maranta has striking foliage with patterns that can range from deep green to red. This plant is non-toxic to pets and is known for its habit of folding its leaves at night, resembling hands in prayer. Marantas prefer low to medium light and high humidity, making them ideal for bathrooms or kitchens. Regular misting and keeping the soil consistently moist will help this plant thrive. Its unique appearance and pet-safe nature make Maranta a great choice for any home. Number 9. Polka dot plant, botanically known as Hypestes philostachya. The polka dot plant is a vibrant and colorful houseplant with leaves that are spotted with pink, red, or white. It is safe for pets and can add a splash of color to any room. Polka dot plants prefer bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. They also thrive in a humid environment, so regular misting can help keep them healthy. With their cheerful appearance and pet-friendly nature, polka dot plants are a delightful addition to any home. Number 10. Haworthia, botanically also known as Haworthia. Haworthias are small, succulent plants that are safe for pets and easy to care for. They have thick, fleshy leaves that form rosettes and can come in a variety of shapes and colors. Haworthias prefer bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. They are drought-tolerant and require minimal watering, making them perfect for busy pet owners. With their compact size and low-maintenance nature, Haworthias are a great choice for any home. While choosing pet-safe plants is a great start, it's also important to take additional steps to ensure the safety of both your plants and your pets. By selecting pet-safe plants and taking steps to protect both your plants and your pets, you can create a beautiful and harmonious home environment. These 10 plants are not only safe for your furry friends but also add a touch of nature and beauty to your living space. Whether you prefer the tropical flair of the areca palm or the vibrant colors of the polka dot plant, there's a pet-safe option for every taste and style. Happy planting! Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.